This is Buddy.
Hi, Buddy.
He's
Hey,
like,
Buddy. I'm an Ewok.
what's an Ewok?
Oh, from Star Wars. I forget. You don't know much pop culture.
Culture. Star Wars.
Star Wars is his own culture.
Well,
Okay.
that's true.
That's true.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's get back to the dog.
Oh, okay.
We can debate this later.
All right. All right. So Buddy.
Yes.
So poor little Buddy.
Yes.
Was at a puppy mill,
Okay.
and these people adopted him
Aw.
and didn't think about getting him neutered, so he would mark in the house sometimes. So, because he did that, they, instead of getting him neutered,
Right.
chained him up to a doghouse out back. So
That helped his socialization skills, doesn't it?
it did.
Oh,
yes.
good.
So he's still kind of shy of people, but he's really good.
Yeah.
He's absolutely not nippy.
Right. No, absolutely.
There were little kids in the house.
Right.
And, well, in the yard, should I say. And they were able to, they played with him and did stuff with him.
Oh.
He might have been more comfortable around kids than us humans.
That could be.
Yeah, because we do funny things to him, like put bow ties on and,
Yeah.
and things like that. So, but, now that he's neutered, that behavior is going to go away.
Yeah.
We obviously have a dog that needs to get into us somehow, I guess. So, he is going to be so sweet. Somebody's going to love him to pieces. He's going to take some work at first, but it's not going to be that bad.
No, and he's going to be so worth it.
He is.
He's wonderful.
He is.